Hello, it's James Foley here. I'm an author and an illustrator from Perth in Western Australia, and I'm very excited about the Littlescribe Writing Festival coming later this year. And I have to give this video to tell you about 3 very special words that I'll be using in my workshop. Those 3 words are strength, weakness, and obstacle. Let me show you what those words look like. Strength, weakness, and obstacle. Do you know what these words mean? You do? What? Sorry, I can't hear. What? You can? Or you do? You do? Oh, excellent. Good. You know. Excellent. Good. Well, that's good because we can use them. If you don't know what they mean, that's okay as well because we're going to find out. We'll talk about it together. And hopefully we can use these words in our writing and in our activity that we will do together. So we'll see you there at the festival. Take care, everyone. See you soon.